Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on a crank no start on this Troy-Bilt lawnmower. It's a Super Bronco. It's got so far 2 front flats. This tire here is flat. The battery was dead. I did put it on a jump box. It's got a 42-inch deck. It did come with a tire and the front and the top covers off. It's got Kohler 19 horse motor on it, Like I said, it's got a Kohler 19 horse motor on it. It's a crank no start, like I said earlier. I know it was not getting fuel earlier. It is now. There was no fuel in the tank. But again, I bought this thing a couple months ago. It might have had fuel in it at the time. I don't remember. First thing I'm going to do is check for spark. Obviously the spark plug is sitting out. Check for spark, and if it's got spark, I'm going to give it a couple little sniffs of some starting fluid. We'll see if it starts. So first thing I'm going to do, check and see if it's even got spark. If it'll crank. Give me a second. Alright, well I have to do this a little bit unconventionally because the battery's now no good. So, tell me if there's spark. Alright, looks like there's spark. Let me go ahead and put the spark plug back in. Do all this one-handed, of course. Woo. Ratchet's a little warm and a little floppy now. I heard it click. Did you guys hear it click? Because I sure heard it click. Make sure it clicks on. Take the air filter off. Give it a couple little snorts there. And let's see what happens. There we go, I guess. Smoky. It was burning that belt up. Or was it that one up there? No, it's definitely this one here. Well, I definitely should not have been doing that. Looks like this belt is junk. Alright, after some investigating, I found that something on the deck is actually seized. So, I'm trying to undo the deck here. And so, once I get the deck off, hopefully this thing will sit here and run and be all nice and purty sounding. I'll be right back. Alright, got the deck off. Got all 4 tires aired up. This one was off the bead, only on this side. Easily done. I do have another tire sitting over here behind me for this, just because this one's all dry rotted and everything. But this thing actually runs pretty okay. I need to get a battery. The battery's junk. I need to get a starter solenoid. That's easily done as well. The deck, however, this is why you guys clean off your decks, because this right here is just petrified and decomposing grass, and it just holds onto water. And when it does that, you get holes in your deck. So I get to go through and try and patch this deck, which it ain't too hard, but I mean, it also causes your belts to seize and your belts to sit there and smoke. So this looked like a pretty decent, I think it's a Kevlar lined belt, not too sure. So far all these seem to move. This one's a little bit but they all pretty much move. So just the amount of grass and everything like that in here caused it to lock up and not want to turn. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. Probably gonna weld a patch in here and obviously get a new belt and stick it back on, and we'll be out running. All right, got the deck all welded up. As you can see, there's a plate there now. Didn't show you guys because I'm not an expert at welding, but just welded a piece of metal in there. Painted it. Did my best to keep the warning labels. There's one over there, but it didn't survive. Need to put new belts on it. As you can see here, this is the main drive belt, and yeah, it wasn't looking too good. And while I'm here, might as well replace that one. Obviously, that one got burned up because one of the pulleys wasn't working right. But all the pulleys work now. Just replaced the one spindle, and everything else freed up. So now I get to come in here and put belts on it. So let me do that, and yeah. Alright, as it turns out, I had the wrong belt on it. This should be the right size belt. So let's go ahead and throw it under the mower. Alright, the deck gets held on by this piece here, and then it has 2 quick connects on this particular deck on this Troy-Bilt mower. It attaches here, and the same thing over here. And so, gotta get that down unlock it. Make sure it's down far enough. And just kind of wiggle, lift up. I need 2 hands to do this. But you're going to wiggle and lift up on it at the same time, and it should lock into this hole here. Alright, let's see how she runs and cuts and everything like that. Alright guys, here's the finished product. It runs, it cuts, got all brand new belts, good used battery, all the tires are holding air. This thing's running really well. So, yeah. Remember, if you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Later.